Welcome everyone to another amazing lesson on data governance and privacy. In this lesson, we will explore the crucial topic of data quality within the broader context of data governance and privacy. Data quality plays a vital role in ensuring that organizations can effectively utilize and rely upon their data assets. Before we delve into the details, let's first define what we mean by data quality. At its core, data quality refers to the degree to which data is fit for its intended purpose. High-quality data is accurate, complete, consistent, and timely. Throughout this lesson, we will examine the key dimensions of data quality, best practices for assessing and improving data quality, and the important role data quality plays in supporting effective data governance and privacy practices. With that introduction, let's proceed to the next slide to begin our in-depth exploration of data quality. In today's data-driven world, the quality of your data can make or break your organization's success. Poor data quality leads to inaccurate insights, flawed decision-making, and inefficient processes. On the other hand, high-quality data empowers you to make informed decisions, optimize operations, and drive innovation. In this presentation, we'll explore practical strategies to enhance your data quality and unlock the full potential of your data assets. Establish clear data governance policies. The foundation of data quality lies in robust data governance. By establishing clear policies and standards, you ensure that everyone in your organization understands their roles and responsibilities when it comes to managing data. This includes defining data ownership, access controls, and documentation requirements. With well-defined governance policies, you can maintain consistency, accuracy, and security across your data ecosystem. Conduct a data quality assessment. To improve data quality, you first need to assess the current state of your data. Conduct a thorough data quality assessment to identify gaps, inconsistencies, and areas for improvement. Analyze your data for completeness, accuracy, timeliness, and relevance. This assessment will provide you with a roadmap for prioritizing data quality initiatives and allocating resources effectively. Implement data standardization and validation. Inconsistent and invalid data can wreak havoc on your analytics and decision-making processes. Implement data standardization and validation techniques to ensure that your data adheres to predefined formats, rules, and constraints. Use data profiling tools to identify patterns, anomalies, and inconsistencies in your data. By enforcing standardization and validation, you can maintain data integrity and reduce errors. Perform data cleansing. Data cleansing is the process of identifying and correcting or removing inaccurate, incomplete, or irrelevant data. Develop a systematic approach to data cleansing that involves deduplication, normalization, and enrichment. Leverage advanced data cleansing tools and techniques, such as machine learning algorithms, to automate the process and improve efficiency. Regular data cleansing ensures that your data remains accurate and reliable over time. Implement robust data integration. In today's interconnected world, data often resides in disparate systems and silos. Implementing robust data integration strategies is crucial for maintaining data quality across your organization. Utilize data integration platforms and tools to seamlessly connect and synchronize data from various sources. Ensure that data integration processes include data quality checks, transformation, and error handling to maintain consistency and accuracy. Monitor data quality continuously. Data quality is not a one-time effort. It requires ongoing monitoring and maintenance. Implement data quality monitoring processes to proactively identify and address issues as they arise. Set up automated data quality checks and alerts to notify relevant stakeholders when data quality thresholds are breached. Regular monitoring enables you to catch and rectify data quality issues before they propagate and impact downstream processes. Create a data quality dashboard. To drive accountability and transparency, create a data quality dashboard that provides a centralized view of key data quality metrics and indicators. The dashboard should showcase data quality trends, issues, and improvement initiatives. By making data quality visible and accessible to stakeholders, You foster a culture of data-driven decision-making and continuous improvement. Provide data quality training. Investing in data quality training is essential for building a data-literate workforce. Educate your employees on data quality best practices, standards, and tools. Empower them with the knowledge and skills to identify and address data quality issues in their day-to-day work. Regular training sessions and workshops can help ingrain data quality principles into your organization's DNA. Leverage data profiling tools. Data profiling tools are invaluable for understanding the structure, content, and relationships within your data. These tools provide insights into data patterns, distributions, and anomalies, enabling you to identify data quality issues proactively. Leverage data profiling tool to perform regular assessments, monitor data quality, and generate actionable insights for improvement. Encourage feedback and collaboration. Fostering a culture of feedback and collaboration is crucial for maintaining high data quality. Encourage users and stakeholders to provide feedback on data quality issues they encounter. Establish clear channels for reporting data quality concerns and suggestions for improvement. Collaborate with data providers, both internal and external, to ensure that data is captured accurately and consistently at the source. In today's digital landscape, data privacy has become a top priority for individuals, organizations, and governments alike. With the increasing amount of personal information being collected, stored, and analyzed, it is essential to ensure that this data remains secure and confidential. Data privacy is not just a matter of compliance with regulations such as GDPR or CCPA. It is a fundamental human right that must be protected. But why is data privacy so important? Firstly, it safeguards individuals from potential harm, such as identity theft, financial fraud, or discrimination based on their personal information. Secondly, it helps maintain trust between organizations and their customers or users. When people feel that their data is being handled responsibly and securely, they are more likely to engage with and support those organizations. Now, let's explore the relationship between data privacy and data quality. At first glance, these two concepts might seem unrelated, but they are actually deeply connected. Data quality refers to the accuracy, completeness, consistency, and timeliness of data. When data quality is high, it means that the information is reliable and can be used effectively for decision-making, analysis, and other purposes. However, ensuring data quality becomes more challenging when data privacy is a concern. When organizations collect and store personal information, they have a responsibility to protect that data from unauthorized access, use, or disclosure. This means implementing strict security measures, such as encryption, access controls, and monitoring systems. It also means being transparent about how data is being used and giving individuals control over their own information. At the same time, maintaining data quality is essential for protecting privacy. Inaccurate or incomplete data can lead to incorrect conclusions, which can have serious consequences for individuals. For example, if a healthcare provider has incorrect information about a patient's medical history, it could lead to inappropriate treatment or even harm. Similarly, if a financial institution has inaccurate data about a customer's credit history, it could result in unfair lending decisions. To balance data privacy and data quality, organizations must adopt a proactive and holistic approach. This includes implementing strong data governance policies, regularly auditing and updating data systems, and providing ongoing training to employees on data handling best practices. It also means being transparent with individuals about how their data is being used and giving them control over their information through tools like data subject access requests and the right to be forgotten. In the previous slide, we discussed the importance of data privacy and its relationship with data quality. Now let's dive deeper into the challenges and future trends surrounding these critical topics. Maintaining data quality is no easy feat, and organizations face numerous challenges in this regard. One of the most common issues is data silos. When data is stored in separate, disconnected systems across different departments or business units, it becomes difficult to ensure consistency and accuracy. This fragmentation can lead to duplication, errors, and incomplete information, all of which undermine data quality. Another significant challenge is the sheer volume and variety of data being generated today. With the proliferation of IoT devices, social media, and other digital platforms, organizations are dealing with an unprecedented amount of structured and unstructured data. This big data can be difficult to process, analyze, and govern effectively, leading to quality issues if not managed properly. Moreover, ensuring data quality requires ongoing effort and resources. It's not a one-time fix, but rather a continuous process of monitoring, cleansing, and updating data. This can be time-consuming and costly, especially for organizations with limited budgets or expertise. Despite these challenges, there is reason for optimism. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are revolutionizing the way we approach data quality. These tools can automate many of the manual tasks involved in data cleansing, validation, and enrichment, saving time and reducing errors. For example, ML algorithms can be trained to identify and correct data inconsistencies, such as duplicate records or missing values. They can also be used to detect anomalies or outliers that may indicate data quality issues. By learning from past data and continuously improving their accuracy, these algorithms can help organizations maintain high-quality data at scale. AI-powered data cataloging and lineage tools are also making it easier to track the flow of data across systems and ensure its integrity. These tools can automatically discover and classify data assets, providing a centralized view of an organization's data landscape. They can also visualize data lineage, showing how data moves and transforms over time, which is critical for traceability and compliance. Looking ahead, we can expect to see even more innovation in the field of data governance and privacy. One exciting development is the rise of privacy-enhancing technologies, PETs, which allow organizations to analyze and use data without compromising individual privacy. These include techniques like homomorphic encryption, which enables computation on encrypted data, and differential privacy, which adds noise to data to protect individual identities. We can also anticipate a greater emphasis on data ethics and responsible AI. As organizations increasingly rely on algorithms to make decisions that impact people's lives, it will be crucial to ensure that these systems are fair, transparent, and accountable. This will require close collaboration between data scientists, ethicists, and policymakers to develop guidelines and best practices for the responsible use of data and AI. Finally, we can expect to see more regulation around data privacy and governance in the coming years. While laws like GDPR and CCPA have already set a high bar, there is still much work to be done to harmonize data protection standards across jurisdictions and industries. Organizations will need to stay agile and adapt to evolving regulatory requirements while also building trust with their customers and stakeholders. As we come to the end of this presentation, I'd like to emphasize once again the critical importance of prioritizing data quality in any data governance or privacy initiative. As we've seen, data quality and data privacy are inextricably linked. Without accurate, complete, and consistent data, organizations cannot hope to protect the privacy of their customers or make sound decisions based on that data. Conversely, without strong privacy protections in place, individuals may be reluctant to share their data, leading to gaps and inaccuracies that undermine quality. In today's data-driven world, the stakes have never been higher. Organizations that fail to prioritize data quality risk not only regulatory penalties and reputational damage, but also missed opportunities and competitive disadvantage. On the other hand, those that invest in robust data quality practices can reap significant benefits from improved customer trust and loyalty to more efficient operation and better informed decision making. So, what can organizations do to put data quality at the forefront of their data governance and privacy efforts? Here are a few key recommendations. Develop a comprehensive data quality strategy that aligns with business objectives and includes clear roles, responsibilities, and metrics for success. Invest in the right tools and technologies to automate data quality processes, such as data cleansing, validation, and enrichment. Foster a culture of data literacy and responsibility throughout the organization, with regular training and communication on data quality best practices. Collaborate closely with privacy and security teams to ensure that data quality initiatives are aligned with privacy requirements and that data is being used ethically and responsibly. Stay up to date on emerging trends and technologies in data quality and privacy, such as AI-powered data cataloging and privacy-enhancing techniques, and be prepared to adapt as the landscape evolves. By taking these steps, organizations can not only meet their regulatory obligations, but also unlock the full potential of their data assets. They can gain a deeper understanding of their customers, make more informed decisions, and drive innovation and growth in an increasingly competitive marketplace. In closing, I'd like to leave you with a call to action. If you're not already prioritizing data quality in your data governance and privacy initiatives, now is the time to start. The risks of inaction are simply too high, and the benefits of getting it right are too great to ignore. Invest in the people, processes, and technologies needed to ensure the accuracy, completeness, and consistency of your data. Foster a culture of data responsibility and collaboration across your organization. And most importantly, never lose sight of the trust that your customers and stakeholders have placed in you to handle their data with care and respect. Thank you for your time and attention today. I hope this presentation has given you some valuable insights and inspiration to take your data quality efforts to the next level. If you have any questions or would like to discuss these topics further, please don't hesitate to reach out. Together, we can build a future where data is not only secure and private, but also accurate, reliable, and trustworthy.